everybody. Real quick, I want to go over, this is a 2016 Caravan. What I want to talk about is so-called suspension noise. That may not be suspension noise, okay? That's why I always stress the importance of a test drive, okay? So this car is back, or this van is back. I guess they dubbed it a recheck. Technician put new hub bearings on it, as you can see. Brand new hub bearings. You can see the bolt's been off. What they was chasing was noise in the suspension area when driving real fast. I don't know, 50, 60 miles an hour. At any rate, they put hub bearings on it. The customer drove off and then turned around and came right back, said he's still hearing the same noise. So what I want to discuss with you, things to look for if you're chasing body suspension noise at highway speed. We're going to talk about that when I get back. All right, thanks for hanging in there with us. All right, we're back. All right, so we're talking about basically suspension noise not suspension noise. Basically aerodynamic problems, okay? If you're dealing with a situation where you're working on a car that's only affected, noise only affected when you at highway speeds, you're basically dealing with wind type noise, aerodynamic type noise. So this particular van did not need, I wouldn't say it didn't need, because due to the mileage on it, it could use new hub bearings, but that wasn't what the customer was concerned about. That's why I cannot overstate the importance of a test drive. In some cases with the customer, okay? So we're dealing with wind noise. This is a big body van. Anytime you're dealing with any type SUV, big body, wind can definitely affect this stuff. You should get under here and just start moving things. Here's a problem right here. He has no spare tire. And he did not even know he didn't have a spare tire. So he got a chance to find something out about his car that he didn't know. Okay, you're gonna get that. 60, 70 miles an hour, you may get that. But the things you should be looking at is things like shields. Okay, now this particular, I found that earlier. That is his problem, ladies and gentlemen. 60, 70 miles an hour, wind hitting this. And what's weird about it, he said he'd hear the noise right in the center console. That is exactly where that's located at. Right up under the center console. So that's a quick online mechanic tip. All right, now I also noticed this was loose, so what I'm gonna do is tighten that up, and we're gonna get rid of this noise. So, but the moral of the story, I guess, is suspension noise is not really always suspension noise. You have to personally make the car your own and go drive it and try your best to get out of the customer what they're saying or what they're talking about, because there's nothing like a customer spending money on high dollar heavy mechanical parts and they don't need it. That could get you in a lot of trouble and a lot of headaches. So, but this is the noise they're referring to. It's right under the center, and you should always look for things like shields and everything, especially when you're dealing with noise that's only affected by wind. Just get under here and start moving every shield, until you find some, or if you find some. You may not find them, but these are the type of things you should check for when you're chasing wind related noise. All right, so let me get this, that look like a 516. Yeah, I'm gonna get that tightened up, and I will go drive it again. That is mostly of all the problems that I found so far, but I'm just hoping he don't, raise a lot of hell about the high dollar hub bearings he just got put on. Okay, but in reality, there's a big chance he needed the hub bearings anyway, just not for this problem. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. I'm just tightening or torquing this bolt down so we can help get rid of most of this turbulence. Not really turbulence, I might be using the wrong term, but we can get rid of some of this noise that's affected by air. Okay, that's better. All right, he's still gonna hear something, man. Any type SUV, a big body vehicle, at highway speed, you're not gonna be quiet. There's just no way around it. You can put everything new on this thing, you're still gonna have some type of wind type noise. That's just the nature of big body vehicles. Okay, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.